gonna start this like a home stuff. I won't be home
Alright, okay, I cannot watch the video of Will. I had to actually watch Will.
Yeah. That'll be the biggest.
That is some serious power, man. Look at the veins in his head. Popping.
Like, we had what, like 5 pounds?
Yeah, I know. We had very little. He is like powering it. It's probably like 30. Wait, hold on. Let's see. It's probably. I think it's like.
Fix my leg.
Fix your leg? Oh, fridge. Okay, watch out. Yeah. That's how much power he's using from his foot. Holy crap. I know. Oh my gosh, it's so
Running out of space.
running out of space? Oh, isn't it because you're pushing it back so much?
How much time is that?
You're at 112 right now.
Damn it.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah, okay.